Hi, this is Raghav. I'm with you today to explain you the Greenwoods Township access, its location, and I'll be also covering the distances from the important places in this locality to Greenwoods. What you are seeing here is the simplified version of the Greenwoods Township location map. You can also view this from our website nsrventures.in under Greenwoods menu and inside Location Map tab. As you can see the laser pointer to locate the Greenwoods Township in this map, it is located in Bellavi village, which is in Malur Taluk and is part of Kolar district. This is in the outskirts of the Bangalore city towards east and in between Hoskote satellite town and Malur. The Greenwoods entrance is on Bellavi village road. The Bellavi village road is 50 feet wide and is connected to Devanahalli, Malur, Hosur ring road. This road is a major district road MDR as per PWD government records. That means it is 50 meters wide ring road. Our Greenwoods entrance is around 350 meters from this ring road. One end of this road is intersecting NH4 at Chikanahalli gate and passing through Toranahalli and Doddadenahalli, and the other end is connected to Hoskote Malur State Highway at Chokanahalli gate. It is also intersecting Bangalore-Chennai Express Highway around 500 meters away from Bellavi gate towards Chokanahalli. The Bangalore-Chennai Express Highway starting point is near Hoskote on NH4 and intersects Hoskote Malur State Highway and Malur Hosur Ring Road and continue towards Chennai via Kolar, Chittoor, etc. This express highway's intersection point on Malur Hosur Ring Road is around 850 meters from Greenwoods entrance. What you see here is the Hoskote satellite town and this is Malur town. The Hoskote Malur State Highway connects these two towns. It is 80 meters wide state highway as per PWD government records. It will be widened very soon. The current road condition is also good. One more important road is a major district road MDR which starts from Hoskote town on NH4 just before MVJ Multi-Specialty Hospital, just few meters away from Hoskote Malur State Highway starting point. This road is 50 meters wide as per government records and goes via Dandupalya, Kolattur, Solur and Appasandra and connects to Malur Hosur Ring Road just before Doddadenahalli village. Another loop road is a road which starts from Mailapura gate on NH4 and connects Malur Hosur major district road at Toranahalli village. This road is in good condition. Okay, now let us understand how this locality is connected with Bangalore city, particularly Whitefield, Kyarpuram and Marthalli and its surroundings. In NH4, if we go straight, we will be reaching Kyarpuram and its surrounding places. Also, we can reach the heart of the city like MG Road, Majestic, etc. if we continue further in this NH4, also called as Old Madras Road, via Kyarpuram. This area is Whitefield, ITPL and its surroundings. From Hoskote, if you are going towards Whitefield, Marthalli, Bellandur, you need to take the left turn from NH4 into Whitefield double road after the Hoskote toll gate towards Kyarpuram. You will be passing Vibjar International School on the left hand side and going via Kadugodi, Satya Sai Baba Ashramam to Voparam Circle. From Voparam Circle, if you go right, you will be reaching ITPL in around 2 kilometers. If you go left in the circle, will be going towards Chennasandra. If you continue straight, you will be leading to Marthalli, Bellandur, Indiranagar, Shajapura Road, etc. Now let us discuss the four alternative routes which we have to reach the Greenwoods township from Hoskote. As we just discussed, to reach Hoskote town from K.R.Puram, we need to continue on NH4 in the straight road. If you are coming from Marthalli or Whitefield or Belandur, etc., you need to come in the Whitefield double road via Satya Sai Baba Ashramam and Kadugodi to reach NH4. Then take the right turn in NH4 towards Hoskote. Route number 1. From Hoskote town, take the Hoskote-Malur State Highway, which is 80 meters wide road. Then continue till Chokkandahalli gate for 15 kilometers and take the left turn into Malur-Hosur ring road. Go for 3.5 kilometers to reach the Bellavi village. Route number 2. From Hoskote town, take the right turn into Kolathur Appasandra road just before the MVJ Multi-Speciality Hospital. This road is 50 meters wide major district road. Continue on this road for 12.5 kilometers and then take the right turn into Malur-Hosur ring road to go to Bellavi village via Doddadenahalli. Route number 3. Continue on NH4 till Mailapura gate and then take the right turn towards Toranahalli and touch the Malur-Hosur ring road and continue till Bellavi via Doddadenahalli to reach the Greenwoods township. Route number 4. To enjoy the highway drive, continue on NH4 for around 12 kilometers after the Hoskote town till Chikkanhalli gate just before the Volvo factory and then take the right turn into Malur-Hosur ring road, which is 50 meters wide major district road. Continue on this road via Toranahalli, Doddadenahalli to reach the Bellavi village. The shortest among all four routes is the road which is going via Kolathur and Appasandra. This is around 15 kilometers from Hoskote to Greenwoods township. If you take Hoskote-Malur State Highway, it will be around 3.5 kilometers more to cover to reach the Greenwoods. Otherwise, if you are taking NH4 till Chikkanhalli gate, then it will be around 6 kilometers extra to travel to reach the Greenwoods. However, all the roads are in very good condition to comfortably travel to Greenwoods. If you are coming from Electronic City, Hosur Road and its surroundings, you need to come via Shajapur, Chikkatirupati and Lakkur to reach the Malur town. Then continue in the Hoskote-Malur State Highway till Chokkandahalli gate. Then take the right turn and go for 3.5 kilometers to reach the Bellavi village. Now let us discuss about various important places in this locality. As this locality is included in Bangalore-Chennai Industrial Corridor and the express highway is passing through this place, there are various industries, factories are already set up. Some are in the process of setting up. We have Narsapur industrial area which is coming up as a major automobile industrial hub in Karnataka. Honda has already started its operations. Mahindra has their plant here. Other majors like Toyota, Hyundai, Ashok Leyland are also in the process of setting up their factories here. There are many supporting factories for spare parts etc. also coming up here. To go to Narsapur industrial area, we need to go via Chokkandahalli gate and take left turn after Vatsalya Super Speciality Hospital and go via Abbehalli, Bhavanahalli to reach the Narsapur industrial area. Another industrial area which is close to this place is Malur industrial area. There are various industries are already functioning from this industrial zone. We can go via Chokkandahalli gate, Malur town to reach the Malur industrial area from the Greenwoods, which is 9 kilometers distance to cover. One more important landmark in this locality is Volvo factory. It is already functioning and is within 10 kilometers from Greenwoods. This is next to Chikkanhalli gate on NH4. There is one more upcoming industrial zone, Vemagal industrial area is also close to this place.
As we understand the needs of our customers well on the hospitals and educational institutes which are needed and should be close to our township. That way Greenwoods Township is planned well and having good number of hospitals, schools and colleges are available within the reachable distance. MVJ Multi-Specialty Hospital is in Hoskote town on NH4 and is around 15 kilometers from our township. Vatsalya Super Specialty Hospital in Malur town and is just 5 kilometers from our place. Both are very big hospitals and very useful to this locality. Regarding educational institutes, we have Vibjer International School on Whitefield Double Road and is around 22 kilometers from Greenwoods. We have JSS Educational Institute from the school to the college in the same campus and Vivekananda School are on the Kolar Road in Malur town. They are around 7 kilometers from our township. We have two possible routes to go to the Bangalore International Airport from the Greenwoods Township. One is from Hoskote town and another one is from Chikanahalli Gate. Both routes will go via Sulbele, Balepura and Devanahalli to reach the airport. Around 49 kilometers to cover to reach the airport from Greenwoods. What you are seeing here is the actual road alignment map for Bangalore-Chennai Express Highway starting from Hoskote. The express highway is starting from NH4 intersecting Kolattur Appasandra Major District Road near Kolattur and intersecting Hoskote Malur State Highway at two different points, then continuing via Bellavi and again intersecting Malur-Hosur Ring Road as well. Our Greenwoods is around 850 meters away from this express highway. The expected completion time for this project is around 2015 to 2016. Please visit our media coverage section in our website nsrventures.in for more detailed project report and latest media coverage on this highway project. This highway project is part of the larger initiative of developing a major Bangalore-Chennai industrial corridor in South India. Let me quickly explain you the detailed distance chart which is prepared to your convenience to understand how the various landmarks located with respect to Greenwoods Township. You can access the information from our website nsrventures.in as well. From our website homepage, select the Greenwoods menu and then go to Location Map tab to view these details. The first column shows the landmark name. We covered pretty much all the important locations which our clientele may be interested in. The second column shows the coordinates to locate each of these places in Google Map or any other GPS software. The third column shows how much distance each of these places from Greenwoods. The fourth column shows how long it will take for you to reach Greenwoods from the respective places. The fifth and sixth column shows various routes to reach the Greenwoods from the different places. Thanks for viewing this video. Please visit our website www.nsrventures.in for more information and latest updates about Greenwoods project.